Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the Poppo Live mod menu completely free. This method works on both iOS and Android devices and unlocks premium features including unlimited coins and exclusive hacks inside the game. As you can see on the screen, the mod menu gives you access to powerful options like unlimited coins, premium hacks, and full compatibility across platforms. Before starting, make sure your Poppo Live app is updated to the latest version. To check, open the App Store or Google Play Store and confirm there are no pending updates. Once your game is updated, head down to the pinned comment below. I've included the exact link and instructions there so you can safely download Poppo Live++. If this method worked for you, don't forget to leave a like and share your experience in the comments. Subscribing helps you stay updated with the latest gaming mods, hacks, and tutorials. That's it for today's video. Enjoy your free Poppo Live mod menu, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.